So we're going to the hurricane. I don't even know if you can hear me. So we're going to the hurricane. I don't even know if you can hear me. You guys hear that noise? That is generator. This is not Nigeria. This is Houston, Texas. And let me show you how it looks outside. It's still doing hurricane wind. Let the wind not blow away my phone. Okay, see? You guys see? All that, all the noise, all my neighbors, they have generators. They don't have generators. My Nigerian girl, proper. Look at broken fence. All these fence pieces. Look at my garden. Look at it. Let me show you. I have to move my cushion. Yeah, everybody's generator. See?